How's everything going?
Yeah, it seems to be okay.
Yep. Low back, how's that lower back been?
Lower back seems to be fine so far.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Because you do get to have 10,000 problems through here.
I have had, yeah.
You have, yeah. How's the martial arts going? Tell me more about that.
That's so far, well I've only been back a couple of times this year, so not a lot, but I went last night, I did okay.
That's good.
Yeah.
Aikido, isn't it?
Aikido, yeah.
Aikido, that's it. It's a hard one to say.
Thank you.
Turn your tummy for me, face down, so you can have a look at that lower back a bit further. Now bend your knees up for me. Okay, back down. So you can see that your left leg is about 1 centimetre shorter than the right. When I look down there, so it's quite considerable. Now bring your legs up, and then what happens is it then evens out again. So what that tells me is that you've got a misalignment in the lower part of your pelvis, in your lower back.
Yeah.
In here that we need to address.
Okay.
Okay, lift your right leg up for me from hip, and back down, and the left side, and back down. Okay, right again for me, down, and the left side. Okay. And then the right side through the L4-5 in just in here. The joint's quite restricted, it's not moving properly.
Okay.
Let's get into this muscle in here. How's that, a bit tender?
A little bit.
Yeah.
I reckon I can manage it.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, we need to get you to stretch these ones out. I'll show you a stretch in a second.
Okay.
That's it, and back down. Good. Excellent. Alright, so we're going to do a bit of a loud adjustment here where the table just drops away.
Yeah, sure.
That's it. Good. Okay, I'll get you on your side now, Peter. On your side facing this way for me.
Sure.
And let's bring that shoulder through here. This leg straight. And that one across. Okay. Breathing in and breathing out. All the way. Good. Excellent. And the other side for me. How's that?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's bring it over. This leg up, this up to here. Breathing in and breathing out. All the way. That's good. Excellent. Alright. And sitting up for me.
Well, I have to ask you this question.
Yeah.
Has anybody ever farted when you do that?
It does happen quite often. Yeah.
I just thought I'd ask.
Me or the patient?
No, the patient. The patient. Well, I didn't think of you.
Yeah. There's a lot of pressure going on.
Yeah.
It's it does happen. Okay, legs over this way for me. Arms across one to the other. Okay, breathing in.
Chin down? Or?
Chin down, yep. Come back and breathing out. Okay, head back all the way up. Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
Got it. Stay where you are. Stay hunched forward, breathing in and breathing out. Oh, okay, good. And head back for me. You can relax your hands just over your tummy. That's it. Here. Okay, all the way over. That's it, good. And same, just bring your head over. There we go, excellent. And then we'll bring one more over there. And there we go, good. Okay, let's mobilize that joint.
So the L4 and L5 is a bit stiff, is it?
In the neck? Or L4, 5, yeah, that was a bit stiff in the lower back, definitely. On that left side, which was affecting that leg length. So we'll check that leg length again, see if it's corrected.
Well, there's I've got to do a couple of stretches or something.
Yeah, let's do the stretch for the lower back. So what I'll get you to do, so at home, is just bring your one leg up.
Yeah.
We'll bring your foot across, so you're kind of making like a number 4 with your leg.
Okay.
Bring your leg up to here,
Yeah.
and I'll get you to bring your hands. And what we're going to do is actually pull that back. Yeah, that's it.
Oh,
So pull that back so you feel a stretch in through the side in here. So just swap the legs over for me, do the other way. You do that one sometimes, do you? You do this one at home?
Not exactly this way, but
Yeah, and you'll feel a stretch in
Yeah.
through here.
I sort of just hug my knee and pull it towards me, but
Okay.
I never made it like a 4.
Yeah, figure 4 and you'll feel it stretching.
Yeah.
About 20 to 30 seconds at a time.
Okay.
Okay, so just relax the leg down for me and sit out legs like this. And you can do it sitting down as well, so one leg over the other, then figure 4, and then actually bring the other way you do it this way is bring this leg up and pull this knee up towards you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that way there, you'll feel that stretching through here.
Yeah. Okay.
Some people prefer that.
Yeah.
I prefer this one.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Alright, and shuffle back towards me a little bit. That's it, let's get your arms across the front. We'll do that one between your shoulder blades, breathing in and breathing out. That's the one. Excellent. And relax your arms for me. Okay, Peter, on your tummy for me, face down again. Excellent, and that leg length is back to even again.
Okay.
So that's really good. We've evened up. Great stuff. Alright, all done. Thanks, Peter.
Thank you.
No worries. Okay?
Yep.
Thanks for being part of the movie.